In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Calendar shortcut. This process is simple and will help you access your calendar more efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Google Calendar. You may see several results, but you want to look for the official Google Calendar link. This is important because using the official link ensures you are accessing the legitimate calendar and not a third-party site. Once you type in Google Calendar and hit enter, you will see the search results populate on your screen. Take a moment to find the link that reads Google Calendar and comes from the google.com domain. Once you've located it, you are ready for the next step. Next up, click on the correct link to access Google Calendar. When you do this, your browser will redirect you to the Google Calendar interface. This page displays your calendar, upcoming events, and other useful features. It's crucial to ensure you are on the right page because this will be your launching point for creating the shortcut. If you see the familiar Google Calendar layout, you are on the right track. Now, let's log into your Google account if you are not already logged in. You will see a prompt to enter your email and password. This step is essential because you need to be logged into your account to access your personal calendar information. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. If you've entered everything correctly, you will be taken to your calendar. This confirms you have access to all your events and settings. From there, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the window. These dots represent the menu for additional options. When you click on them, a drop-down menu will appear. This step is important because it opens up various settings and features you can utilize. You might see options like New Tab or More Tools, but we are focusing on creating a shortcut. Take a moment to ensure you have accessed the correct menu before proceeding. Next, click Create Shortcut. A dialog box will pop up, prompting you to proceed with naming your shortcut. This action is vital because it allows you to customize how the shortcut will appear on your device. A well-named shortcut can help you quickly identify it later. After clicking, you will see a new window where you can input the name of your shortcut. Now, give it a name and check the box for Open as Window if you want it to behave like a standalone app. This option is particularly useful if you plan to use Google Calendar frequently, as it provides a more focused experience without the distractions of a browser. After you've chosen a name and made your selection, click Create. This action will finalize your shortcut setup, allowing you to access Google Calendar directly from your desktop or taskbar. Congratulations, you've successfully added a Google Calendar shortcut. You should see the new icon appear on your desktop or taskbar, depending on your settings. This makes it easy to access your calendar quickly whenever you need it. By following these steps, you can streamline your scheduling and enhance your productivity. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to revisit the steps. Enjoy using your new shortcut.